Hi, I'm Jeff Barth with JWB Manufacturing. I'd like to welcome you to my shop. Today I'd like to highlight the Komax 34 style blade. There are three different variations that I have here of those. These are the universal V stripping blades. This is the standard blade without coating. There's also the titanium nitrate coated ones. And then we also have a blade that looks very similar to it, but is actually from, it's a blade style from a knockoff machine from China that looks like the Komax 34. Notice the difference. It's got wider holes, a little bigger holes, otherwise it's the same. We make all our blades the same way. We use a material that's spec'd out from the original equipment manufacturer, and we go through the heat treating process and all the dimensions. So if you're interested in any of these blades, come check out our website, and you can order these on our self checkout at jwbmanufacturing.com, or give us a call. Love to hear from you.